My name is Brock Nafziger, and I am the lead aircraft mechanic at Aviation. We employ highly skilled aircraft mechanics and technicians. We strive to efficiently care and diagnose any discrepancies that we find with the plane and get back to the customers in an efficient and timely manner. It's our goal to build like a trustworthy relationship between us and the customer, and we do that through excellent communication and good work and diagnostics and problem-solving skills and care that we take to their personal aircraft. Doing the right thing at Aviation means doing the work that you would be proud of, to have your name on it and have the integrity to get something done and have it be pushed out the door for customers to enjoy. This work matters to me because I take joy in providing the excellent work and care for customers and the enjoyment they get to feel through flight. At Aviation, we pride ourselves in giving the customers the best experience possible.